Hey there, fellow gamers. Today, we're going to talk about a game that's making waves in the gaming world. It's a game that's all about the famous game, and it's got a name that's just as memorable. This game is a true test of your gaming skills. It's a fast-paced, action-packed adventure that will keep you on the edge of your seat. The gameplay is smooth, the graphics are stunning, and the sound effects are top-notch. What's really exciting about this game is its unique take on the famous game. It's a fresh take on an old classic, and it's a game that you'll want to play over and over again. The developers have really outdone themselves with this one, and it's a game that you don't want to miss. The game is designed to be challenging, but not impossible. It's a game that's meant to be played and enjoyed, and it's a game that you'll want to share with your friends. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your controller and dive into this exciting new game. It's a game that you'll be talking about for years to come. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting gaming news and updates. Until next time, happy gaming!